Welcome to Have You Read It, the channel where we bring books to life, one summary at a time. Today we're diving into Ina Garten's heartwarming and insightful memoir, Be Ready When the Luck Happens. This isn't just a chronological retelling of events, it's a beautifully woven tapestry of personal anecdotes, pivotal moments, and the lessons learned along the way. It's a story of self-discovery, resilience, and the power of embracing opportunities, even when they arrive unexpectedly. Ina's story begins with a seemingly insignificant moment, a challenging hike up Balch Hill with her then-boyfriend, Jeffrey. Her refusal to climb the hill in a conventional manner, opting instead for a zigzag approach, sparked laughter from Jeffrey and an important realization for Ina. This experience highlighted two crucial lessons that would shape her life. Firstly, that challenges are inevitable, and the path to overcoming them is rarely straightforward. And secondly, that she wanted Jeffrey by her side, providing support and laughter as she navigated those challenges. This anecdote sets the tone for the entire memoir, emphasizing the importance of embracing one's own unique approach and the value of supportive relationships. Ina's childhood in Stamford, Connecticut, painted a picture of a comfortable yet emotionally sterile environment. Her parents, while providing material comforts, were emotionally distant and critical, prioritizing appearances and academic achievement over genuine connection and personal exploration. This environment stifled Ina's creativity and instilled a deep-seated fear of failure. She recalls the constant pressure to excel academically, the absence of playful exploration, and the chilling question from her father. "What did you accomplish today?" A question that haunted her long after she left home. This challenging upbringing, though painful, laid the foundation for Ina's later rebellious streak and her determination to create a life filled with joy, creativity, and authentic connections. Amidst this restrictive environment, Ina found solace and a sense of belonging in her friendships and at school, where she excelled in science, embracing the unpredictable nature of experiments. She recounts her Amazing Mice project, a playful yet insightful experiment that foreshadowed her later approach to recipe development. This experience highlights Ina's innate curiosity and her love of the experimental process, traits that would serve her well in her culinary career. Ina's life took a dramatic turn when she met Jeffrey Garten. Their unconventional courtship, initiated by Jeffrey after spotting Ina on the Dartmouth campus, blossomed through handwritten letters and awkward first dates. Their connection deepened despite parental disapproval and the backdrop of the Vietnam War. This period reveals the early stages of their enduring partnership, built on mutual respect, understanding, and a shared sense of humor. It's a testament to their ability to navigate challenges together and their commitment to supporting each other's dreams. Their early married life, marked by moves to North Carolina and Jeffrey's military service in Thailand, presented new challenges. Ina's resourcefulness shone through, whether she was selling donuts to pay for a fur blanket or navigating the complexities of a foreign culture. These experiences fostered her independence and adaptability, qualities that would prove invaluable in her later entrepreneurial endeavors. Ina's career trajectory was anything but linear. From her unsatisfying job at the White House to her stint at a strip club's back office, she explored various paths before finding her true calling. This period of exploration, though marked by frustration and moments of absurdity, allowed Ina to discover what she didn't want, ultimately leading her to what she truly loved: food and cooking. The purchase of Barefoot Contessa, a specialty food store in West Hampton Beach, marked a pivotal moment in Ina's life. Driven by a desire for creative control and immediate feedback, she took a leap of faith, leaving behind a stable government job for the unpredictable world of entrepreneurship. This bold move, met with parental disapproval, proved to be the catalyst for her culinary career and the beginning of her journey as the Barefoot Contessa. The early days of Barefoot Contessa were a whirlwind of learning, adapting, and overcoming unexpected challenges. From navigating a double-booked rental house to dealing with a drug dealer's catering request, Ina's resourcefulness and determination shone through. She embraced the chaos, learning from her mistakes and building a loyal customer base. This period highlights the grit and resilience required to succeed in a small business and the importance of staying flexible and adaptable. Ina's move to East Hampton and the expansion of Barefoot Contessa brought new opportunities and challenges. She navigated the complexities of running multiple stores, dealt with demanding customers, and learned the importance of creating a welcoming and inclusive environment. Her dedication to quality ingredients, simple yet elegant presentation, and exceptional customer service set Barefoot Contessa apart. Throughout her journey, Ina's relationship with Jeffrey remained a constant source of support and love. They navigated the challenges of long-distance relationships, career changes, and the demands of entrepreneurship, emerging stronger and more connected. Their partnership, built on mutual respect and a shared sense of humor, is a testament to the power of open communication and unwavering support. Ina's foray into the world of cookbooks and television brought new levels of success and recognition. From the publication of The Barefoot Contessa Cookbook to the launch of her Food Network show, she shared her passion for food and entertaining with a wider audience. This period highlights the importance of staying true to one's vision, even in the face of criticism, and the power of surrounding oneself with a talented and supportive team. Ina's decision to stop catering, prompted by the realization that it was consuming a disproportionate amount of time and energy, allowed her to focus on her true passions, developing recipes, writing cookbooks, and connecting with her audience. This strategic decision highlights the importance of evaluating one's priorities and making choices that align with one's long-term goals. The purchase and renovation of their Paris apartment represents a lifelong dream realized. This project, filled with challenges and unexpected twists, showcases Ina's love of design, her attention to detail, and her ability to create beautiful and inviting spaces. It also underscores the importance of embracing new experiences and pursuing one's passions, no matter how daunting they may seem. The construction of the barn, a dedicated space for recipe testing, filming, and entertaining, solved a long-standing problem and provided a beautiful and functional setting for her work. This project highlights the value of investing in one's craft and creating an environment that fosters creativity and inspiration. Throughout the memoir, Ina emphasizes the importance of simple, high-quality ingredients, balanced flavors and textures, and the joy of sharing delicious food with loved ones. Her approach to cooking and entertaining is accessible and inspiring, encouraging readers to embrace the pleasures of the table and the power of connection. The COVID-19 pandemic presented unprecedented challenges, but Ina's resilience and adaptability shone through. From connecting with her audience on Instagram to filming her show remotely, she found creative ways to continue her work and provide comfort and inspiration during a difficult time. This period highlights the importance of staying connected, embracing new technologies, and finding creative solutions in the face of adversity. The memoir concludes with a reflection on the role of luck in Ina's success. While acknowledging the serendipitous moments that shaped her career, she emphasizes the importance of hard work, preparation, and being ready when the luck happens. This insightful observation underscores the main takeaway of the book: that while luck may play a role, it's the combination of hard work, preparation, and a willingness to embrace opportunities that ultimately leads to success. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next book dive.